are definitely trending right now. This is a piece that can be used in any part of the home. I'm talking about the living room, the dining room, the bedroom, and even the bathroom. In this video, I'll show you how I styled my bar cart, keeping it simple, classy, and luxe. So here's the empty bar cart. I will have a link to where I got this from. It's already assembled and I'm just giving it a nice clean. If you're new, welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you're not new, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the video. So I am more of a cocktail person. I love my cocktails. I found this really nice rose gold cocktail shaker. Again, I will have links to all of this. It does come as a set, and here's this decorative tray to just hold everything together. I found this wine stoppers from Amazon and I love them because they add a pop of color to the bar cart. And here's this cocktail recipe guide that came with the cocktail set. I figured it'd be nice to add that in here as well, so I did. And of course, a plant to add some life to this bar cart. I really like the combination of the rose gold and the gold. It is exactly what I was going for. It looks classy and luxe. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. So the bar cart is looking good so far, but there was just something missing, and this was it. When I found it, I was like, yes, it is exactly what I was looking for. It does come with the different pieces, the letters, numbers, and symbols, and you can basically make anything or create any sentence that you like. I decided to go with this Wi-Fi password asked me because I thought it was funny and cool. And yeah, that's me just showing how you can put it in and take it out. It's really easy and you can move this around how you want. So yeah, as you can see, she is looking good and she is ready for the summer. And finally, some lime and lemon to bring this back at home.